Need to convert a fixed-size array into a more flexible array list in Java. It's a common task when you need to add, remove, or dynamically resize your collection. In this quick guide, I'll show you the standard way to do this with a simple, one-line utility method. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another developer. Alright, let's look at our code. We have a basic string array here, filled with a few pet names. If we try to print this array directly, we don't get the contents, we just get its memory location, which isn't what we want. So, how do we convert it to a list? The easiest way is to use the static.asList method from the java.util.arrays class. All you have to do is call Arrays.asList and pass your array as the argument. This method returns a fixed-size list backed by the original array. Let's create a new list variable called listData and store the result there. Now let's change our print statement to output the new listData variable instead. Let's run the code. And there you have it. As you can see, the console now prints a perfectly formatted list containing all the elements from our original array. That's it. In just a single line, you've successfully converted a standard array into a list. If this guide helped you out, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.